Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this type of motivational video using AI. It's absolutely free for joining. So, without any time wastage, let's jump to video. First, go to my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to log in with your Gmail. Then here are what type of video you want to create right now. Actual purpose, I want to create a video. Just master the 4 a.m. routine and change your future. Just click on generate your video. Then this AI tool create a video for me in just few click. If you want to start a YouTube channel like a motivational video and lots of video have online and YouTube, they are using AI tools, but you want to create those type of YouTube channel, this video for you. Okay, now you need to select some information here. Example purpose, visual style. You want to create realistic animation or anime, so I select realistic. Then durations is around 4 minutes. It's okay for me. If you select 10 minutes as you wish, then platform YouTube. So all the settings are done. Now click on continue. Then if you want to download without stock footage, you need to click on continue, but I want to download with stock footage because this video I will create only for example purpose. Just click here, then again click on continue. You can see this AI tool now creating this video for me. So I'm waiting few seconds. It's already analyzing right now.
The world sleeps.
Wow, my video are ready for downloading. If I playing right now,
You rise. Imagine a quiet house, a cup of tea, and time for you.
it's really amazing. So if you have found any mistake here, you want to recursion or re-editing here, just click on edit and you are customizable anything here. And if you want to add a image from the outside, you want to delete a image, you want to delete some voice over, like anything, you are customizable. Then if you have liked this video, just click on download, then select. If you select no watermark, you must need update your plan, but first I recommend you for use free. Then when you prepare and good understanding with this platform, then you will go premium, but first use free. Then stock order, then Invideo branding, okay, normal. If you select subtitle, you must need update, so I select normal, then select 720, it's good, then click on continue. Now my video are starting download right now. It's preparing to downloading. So okay, if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, bye.
The world sleeps. You rise. Imagine a quiet house, a cup of tea, and time for you. This is the magic of 4 a.m. It's not about the hour, it's about the mindset. This is your time to invest in yourself, to become the best version you can be. Many successful people swear by this routine. They understand the power of starting early. It's a secret weapon for success in a busy world. Are you ready to unlock your potential? Waking up at 4 a.m. boosts your productivity. You have time before the day's distractions begin. Imagine a clear mind, focused energy, and a to-do list conquered before breakfast. This is the 4 a.m. advantage. Early rising enhances mental clarity. Your mind is fresh, your thoughts are organized. This is the perfect time for meditation, planning, and creative thinking. You'll be amazed by the ideas that flow. This routine also reduces stress. Instead of rushing, you begin your day calmly. Imagine starting with a workout, a healthy breakfast, and a clear plan for the day. This is the power of owning your morning. Start gradually. Don't jump from 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. overnight. Shift your wake-up time by 15 minutes every few days. Your body will adjust and soon 4 a.m. will feel natural. Prepare the night before. Lay out your clothes, pack your lunch, and decide on your breakfast. This reduces morning stress and makes waking up easier. A smooth morning starts the night before. Make it enjoyable. Plan something you love for your 4 a.m. time. Read a book, listen to inspiring podcasts, or enjoy a quiet moment with your coffee. Make this time your reward.